So this is how I made $38,000 in 1 week with TikTok dropshipping. I'm going to be going over how we picked our product, how we offered the product to our customers, what we did for the creatives, and what we did for the advertising strategy. So this product had already been selling super well for a partner of mine beforehand. The product was in the jewelry niche. He had it on a store of his for around 10 months, and that store did around $800,000 in sales. So we knew for a fact that people on TikTok really liked this product, and they were buying it a lot. The reason we chose to sell this product specifically was because my partner's store had died down a little bit due to other issues not regarding, ad performance or anything. Just we wanted to get that product up and running on another store, but we wanted to sell it in a different way. So I had thought about a way that we could sell this product in a way that would get us way more sales. And a method I used that I would use a lot when I wasn't advertising on TikTok was this method called free push. So a method that worked extremely well for me in terms of getting a lot of sales that I use on other ad platforms like Snapchat was this method called free plus shipping. And the psychology behind that offer is basically that a potential customer is a lot more likely to click onto your store because you're advertising the product that you're selling as completely free. But in reality, when people click on your ad and when they go to the website, they add to cart, they check out, they put in all their information. By the way, with the traffic that was generated from Snapchat ads, 50% of the people who clicked onto my store would reach checkout. They see that the shipping is $11 or $12. And the majority of the people who see that will, eventually just click off the site. But a small percentage of the people who do reach checkout purchase. And the reason why I think that happens is because the potential customer has a lot of time to think about how nice it is when they're going to have that product. Or that's because adding a cart and filling out the checkout info takes, a couple of minutes, and they have time to think about having the product. So when they see, the $12 shipping price, a lot of them are just like, whatever, I'm just gonna purchase the product anyways. So the main reason I had to stop running that offer was because ad platforms hated it. They thought that people running it were scammers and all this stuff, but in reality it's just another way to sell a product to a customer. But what that method taught me is that offers play a huge role in selling products to customers. Taking what I learned from that method, I had thought about it, and I had found a very similar method that ad platforms would not ban me for. And that method was pricing the product that I was trying to sell not free, but $3 or $5 or $7. By doing that, you're still attracting a lot of potential customers to your store because that is still a very cheap price. It's not $0, but it's $3. So that's exactly what we did for this product. So we made the store for it. We threw up ads the following day, and the first day we did around 5 ROAS. So we saw this and we saw that this product had, some really good potential. So what we did is we threw up 2 campaigns. The first one was a normal ABO with 5 lowest cost ad sets, each priced at $20 a day. Then the second campaign was another ABO with 10 cost cap ad sets, and the budget for each ad set was $1,000. And the bids for each cost cap ad set started at our break-even point. So let's say it was like $8, and each ad set's bid went down by 50 cents. So it would be $8, $7.50, $7, $6.50, all the way down. I'll leave a link to a video of me properly going through the advertising strategy. It's down in the description. So basically we threw up those campaigns, and the next day we went crazy. We did around $6,200 in sales. And to me, that really just shows the power of having a good offer, a good product, and a good advertising strategy. And honestly, without any of those, I don't really see people having much success on TikTok, at least with, hitting really big numbers. What we did for the creatives was rather simple. What I did was basically add a lot of scarcity to the creative and threw in the offer a bunch. So the way I would word it is, we need all of this product gone in 3 days, so we lowered the price all the way down to $3. Click the link below to get yours today. And for each time the auto-generated voice would end, I'd have like a new clip of the product. So it would be the first little section of speech would be one clip, second little section of speech would have another clip, and then the third section of speech would have another clip. Basically what that does is it keeps the viewer really engaged with the creative. It gives your ad the best chance to, show the offer of your product and show how good of a deal it is. Also, I forgot to mention that the $3, the $5, and the $7 price points was, not the total amount of money that we were generating from each sale. We obviously had a shipping fee of around $8, so we could make a healthy margin. We also had pre-purchase and post-purchase upsells. Guys, I also have a Discord. We have a ton of beginners and a lot of 7 and 8 figure dropshippers in there. It's a great place to learn if you're just getting into dropshipping. I'll leave a link in the description down below. To anybody still watching this video, I want you to keep on watching because I have a message for you. If you're in the spot where nothing is working in ecom, you have to keep on going, because if you don't, all of the effort and all of the time that you put into trying to make this work is all going to be wasted if you stop. I was in your spot about a year and 2 months ago, and I felt like, this stuff was never going to work. But that's the downside of, trying to learn any high income skill. You're always going to have that stage where nothing is working and you're going to feel miserable. But you have to keep on working if you want to get to the stage where you've always wanted to be at. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe. It helps me a lot, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.